Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I am going to show you how we can edit margins in Canva. Okay, so let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva and we have design. Okay, so you can see this white rectangle here which is visible to you. It is our current margin. If you want to see your current margin, you can go to the file, go to the setting and just click on that show margin option. Then your margin will be show here. Now if you want to edit it, go again here in file, go to the setting and go to the show ruler and guides. Okay, so here you can see all that ruler, top ruler and that left right ruler. So what you can do, so if you want to set top and bottom margin, you need to just click on that rulers, just click on it, hold it and drag down side. Here this is your down margin. You can set your margin like this. Again you need to click on it, hold it, drag it and you can set your top margin. Same for your left and right margin like this. Okay, so now we have this margin, we have edit our margin. Now we can now you are done. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.